so we're basically talking about some behind scenes, and Arthur, when he like, did you guys see the stage on K stage? Yeah, like they threw the sword and then he just couldn't catch it, so the sword flew away. But after that, he never made a mistake, so round of applause for Arthur. Let's go! And there's this scene where we hold Arthur up and we just make him round, and he says, like, that's the only part he can get some rest. We made that dance microwave dance.
해동신이래요. I love it. So Louis says he loved to do the performance part in the group where there's a part where they're held up and they sort of turn around. Apparently it's like the microwave part. Like a microwave spins round, it's got that sort of feel about it. It was such a cool part, and now I'm rethinking it, the microwave part. Anyway.